On today's video, let's do another fun bun style for summer. We're gonna start by taking all of our hair from like the top of our head down to the front of our ears, and we're gonna section that out. So I'm just gonna brush all of that forward. Now, how much hair that is, like how thick it is going to depend on how thick your hair is. Some people have much thinner hair than me and you won't have as much hair to work with at the front, but it's okay, it'll still be cute, and you just gotta work with what you have. So we're gonna clip that so it stays out of the way, and then we're gonna take the rest of our hair and, oh, I'm wearing that kind of lip gloss that my hair sticks to today. Super annoying. Okay, we're gonna put it up in a bun. So I'm gonna brush everything up to the top of my head where I want my bun to sit. Just like that. I'm just gonna create whatever messy bun you want. It doesn't have to be the same one as I'm gonna do. Keep in mind too, you are working with less hair because not all of your hair is gonna be in the bun. So your bun might be a little smaller than you're used to because half your hair, well, not half your hair, but all of the front of your hair has been excluded from this bun. So I'm gonna create my bun here, just kind of play around with it until I like the way it looks. All right, and then I'm gonna take this out. Now, for this next part, you're gonna either want little tiny claw clips like this if you struggle with bobby pins or you just don't like the bobby pins, or you're gonna need some bobby pins, preferably ones that are closer to your hair color. So I use light bobby pins that are more suitable for blonde hair as opposed to dark brown or black bobby pins. But you're gonna need either little tiny claw clips, little baby ones, or like you could use pretty ones like little flowers or butterfly clips or whatever, or bobby pins. So I'm gonna do both so you can see what both look like. So I'm just gonna start to take chunks of the hair, and I wanna try and keep the sections of hair that I'm gonna grab, make sure my part is straight there, pretty even, okay? Each section I want it to be approximately the same. It doesn't have to be exact, but I want it to be close. I don't want like a huge section and then a tiny section. I don't know why I'm struggling to get my part straight right now. I usually get them straight so easily. That's better. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I don't want it all wonky. All right, so then I'm gonna take my first section. So it's about an inch or so wide. I'm just gonna make sure the hair is all not tangled, and I'm just gonna twist it. And when you twist it, this is where you would use either your clip or your bobby pin. So I'm gonna start with some clips, and I'm gonna clip right there. In this side, I'm gonna do all clips. So I'm gonna take my neck section, and again, we're trying to keep it approximately the same size. Make sure you're getting the hair all the way back to where the section ends. Twist it, place it, and clip it. Clips are nice because they are super easy, super beginner friendly. There's not really a learning curve to using clips. So if you struggle with bobby pins, clips is a great place to start. Great alternative to a bobby pin in this situation. So we're gonna do this one now, last one on this side, and we're gonna clip it. Just like that. Then on this side, we're gonna do it with bobby pins. So I'm gonna take my first section. Remember, we're trying to keep it the same as the others, so that was a little wide. And I'm gonna twist it. And when you use a bobby pin, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it, ideally not with your teeth. You're gonna grasp with it open over top of both sides of the hair, and then you're gonna let it close as much as it can. Move it down parallel to your head and push it forward into the twist, and that's how it's gonna be secure, and you're really not gonna see it. And we'll just do that again for the other two sections. All right, and then you would take all of these little guys and just wrap them around your bun. And then you would use either some bobby pins again or some more little hair clips to secure those ends around the bun so they're tucked in. You could also leave them hanging if you like them. You could curl them. You've got all kinds of options there to choose from. Pinning them in is just the simplest way to go. And that's it. You've got your clip option. You've got your bobby pin option. And either way, it's a really fun, cute bun style for the summer. It's especially great if you have layers or bangs at the front that you want to get off your face, and just trying to brush it all back just doesn't work and your hair is constantly falling out. This works really well and it looks really cute. I hope that helps and gives you another fun style that you can try for this summer. Thank you so much for watching today. I love having you here with me for all my videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.